These top niches have withstood the test of time and continue to generate more money over and over. However, making money should not be our primary goal because the pen has the power to provide information that will benefit the general public. Here are the 8 top evergreen, profitable niches for writers to earn passive income. 1. Make money online. There are an infinite number of ways to make money online, and this is becoming increasingly popular as more people work from home and considering more on this topic. The majority of these niches are affiliate marketing, selling on third-party platforms such as Amazon, eBay, and as well as selling digital services such as courses, SEO services, freelancing tips, and so on. There must be one that is suitable for you, and there is a lot of information available online. 2. Weight loss. Weight loss is an evergreen niche, simply including cooking and recipes into your content. Millions of people search about this topic regularly who plan to lose weight. The weight loss industry is worth $300 billion per year. If you enjoy cooking and eating healthily, you can create a blog about it like oursipes.com. Consider keto, Weight Watchers, protein powders, meal preparation, meal plans, weight loss cooking recipes, weight loss classes, and so on. 3. Anti-aging. Aging is a natural process, but many women refuse to accept it. Women believe that spending money to stay young is a good thing, even young women becoming engrossed in this topic nowadays. This is a place you can establish your brand. Products vary, a good mix of digital and physical products, with topics ranging from mindset development and education to wrinkle prevention, brain health, mobility, and so on. 4. Parenting. This applies from pregnancy to adolescence. Parenting advice covers a wide range of topics, including foods, toys, educational materials, products, clothing, school, babysitting, single parenting, and the list just keeps going. Babycenter.com is a good example of parenting. 5. Relationships. Love, dating advice, relationship advice, divorce, how to win the love of your life, and many other topics. This type of website flourishes because people are more comfortable confiding in a stranger and expert than in their friends or family. 6. Photography. If you enjoy photography, this could be for you. This is a skill that those who participate in it are passionate about and strive to perfect. There are many aspects to this, including e-courses about wildlife photography, fashion photography, and so on. 7. Travel and tours. This is becoming more and more popular nowadays as more people travel the world to see what life is like on the other side of the planet. All you have to do is write a blog about the places you visit, encourage others, and share your likes and dislikes. Also, write a review about the best hotels, lodging, food, travel advice, and so on. 8. Entertainment. A large number of people unwind by reading celebrity news and gossip, celebrities and their lives on television, and millions of people are interested in how they live their lives, what they eat, what they wear, their love lives, which car they drive, where they live, and so on. They are constantly in the news, and some people enjoy reading about them. Another feature of the entertainment website is the film review, cast of characters, and what to expect in the next episode. Writing should not be done solely for monetary gain, nor should it leave writers destitute. A good and simpler approach is to create a website and look for different ways to monetize the blogs. I wish you the very best.